After many years of service, you may notice that your upper door reveal moldings look scratched, faded, chipped chrome, or possibly even just plain missing. Thankfully, we have a high quality reproduction for you. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1966 and 67 Pontiac GTO Tempest and LeMans convertible front and rear upper door reveal moldings. Sold in pairs, these are designed to add a finished appearance to the tops of your doors as well as provide a place for mounting outer window felts. They're available for front and rear applications on your convertible. Every upper door reveal molding is manufactured to OEM specifications for perfect fit and authenticity. They're made from stamped stainless steel out of case-hardened steel tooling for accurate fitment. At the end of the production, all moldings are finished with a beautiful polish for that mirror-like finish. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.